All right, they've both decided to eat their cookie before we were ready. Okay, put your cookie down. Now I'm going to put a polka dot and you put a candy. Okay, let's see how this goes. I'll put a polka dot for an eye. And another eye. Can you put a candy like this? Oh, Joshua, can you do it? Get a candy. Okay, Mackenzie. One eye. Put a candy on it. Can you put a candy right there? Put the candy on there. Good job. Okay, let's get the other eye. Two eyes. Here's a candy. Okay, Joshua's ready for a nose. Joshua, you're just kind of slimy from eating it. That's okay. The nose. Let's use a little one. Here's a little one. Can you put this down for the nose? Can you use a little one for the nose, Joshua? Can you put this down on the nose? Oh! Can you put that on the nose? Oh, good job, Mackenzie.
Mama.
Joshua, can you put it right there? Said I'd rather eat it. Hang on. Let's do buttons. One, two, three, four. Can you put little ones on there? Can you reach one? Joshua's just eating the candies. Okay, hang on, Joshua. Can you put one of these on for a nose? Can you put it on his nose? Put them on the buttons, like this. Put it like this. And push it down. Joshua, can you put it on the nose? Watch. No, not in your mouth. Let's try it on the nose. Watch. Ooh. Okay, you want some buttons too? One, two, three. Okay, Joshua, can you put it on the buttons? Can you put them on the buttons? Good job, Mackenzie. I'll push them down. One more. On the button. Can you push it on there? Can you push it on there? Right here on this one. Good job, Joshua. Next. You need a smiley face, don't you? Smiley. Oh, should we put some shoes on? I think he should have some shoes. Whoa, he's got pretty shoes. Yeah, shoes. You want to put candies on his shoe? Okay, Joshua, can you put it in that one? Put candies on his shoe. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Can you keep doing that? I dropped one, didn't I? I'll find it, don't worry. I found it. Here it is. Oh no, not in your mouth, on his shoes. Put it on his shoes. Can you make more on his shoes? Joshua, how are your buttons coming? Did you get them all put on? I'm still eating them over there. Okay, put more buttons on his shoes. Okay, Joshua's determined to eat them. You ate the other eye, Joshua, you silly. Where's his eye? Can you give him another eye? Yeah. Can you put this on his eye? Right here. Eyes. Can you put it right here, Joshua? Put some more candies on his shoes. Can you put some candies on his shoes? Put it on his eye, Joshua. There. Get some more candies on his shoes. Push it down. Oh, perfect. Now you need 2 more buttons, Joshua. Here's some buttons. It's okay. Can you put more candies on his shoes? Can you put it on the button? Give him a button. Let me show you. There, you got it. Good job. On the green button? It's not easy, is it? Okay. How about shoes? You want mittens? Joshua's going to have mittens on his. Mittens. Do you want mittens? Okay. Joshua, can you put some candies on his mittens? some mittens. Joshua's still eating the candies. Okay, here. You want to make mittens? Can you put some candies on his mittens? Put some candies down, Joshua. Here. Ooh. You want some shoes?
Shoes.
Joshua's getting shoes now. Your guy already has shoes. Can you put some candies on his shoes, Joshua? Can you put some candies on his mitten?
Shoe.
You have shoes. Here. You want to put some candies on it? It's okay. Should we give him the top of his smiley?
Cookie.
Cookie. No, don't eat off of his shoes, sillies. Yeah, I know, it's good, isn't it? Okay, who's finished? You want to put more on his mittens? Can you put more candy there? She's eating the icing. Joshua, can you put some of these on his shoes? Okay, Mackenzie, let's see. What can you do with those? Are you finished? Let's put a couple more on his mittens. Here. Joshua likes the other candies evidently better. You don't like these ones? Well, it's all for decorating, Joshua. Okay. Mackenzie, what are you doing with the shoe? Are you eating his shoe? Let's put a little more icing. Can you put more candies? Here, put some of these down. Joshua, can you put these on his shoes? I'll put it on his mittens. Can you put them on his shoes? Okay, Mackenzie's finished. Joshua, are you finished? I'll just give him some shoes for you real quick. Red shoe. And another red. Should we do matching shoes? Red shoes. Good job. Yes, Mackenzie. Everybody have fun making cookies? Everybody have fun? Was that fun? We're finished. Was that fun? Did you have fun, Mackenzie? Let's wipe off your hands. You've got a little icing. Cookie decorating. Is that fun? Yeah. Joshua, did you have fun? Is that fun? Say that's fun. Can I wipe your face, Mackenzie? Thank you, dear. You still have one of those candies in your mouth, don't you? Okay, Joshua. Did you get any icing or anything on your face? Just a little bit. Let me see. How are your hands? Perfect. Perfect. Okay, we're finished making our gingerbread men. Was that fun? Oh yeah, that was fun, huh?